So this is the next update. You see I've gotten this all out of the way. It's pretty easy to do. I did notice something specific about this thing with the Mazda 6. Personally, I like the O'Reilly Brake Best. Yeah, I know I threw it out there, but Brake Best Premium Ceramic Pads Best. They do work really well. They're pretty rock solid pads as far as pads go. I used to go to AutoZone for the Duralast, but these Brake Best have grown on me. You'll notice that on the see, there's no squealer on this one, but it does have these little springs on the end, and then two of them have the little squealer, which is down here by my thumb. The squealer, if you notice, is designed so that when the pad gets so low, it's like fingernails across a chalkboard. It's going to tell you when your pads are low. This is the outer pad that just came off factory. It does not have the squealer on the outer pad, and you'll notice the outer pad has the two little nipples toward the center, like these two do right here. Also, these have the inner pad towards the piston has the two nipples on the outer, and then the squealer, of course, is on that one. I was getting pretty low on that. If you look at that right there. That's what 70,000 miles will do to your pads. Never liked the factory pads anyhow. Most cars. Anyhow.